Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Team PD Children's Night Light with motion sensor. In this case, it's a pack of 2, also available in 1-pack and 3-pack. It comes with a warm, white light-emitted diode night light, and it's battery operated. That means you does not need a power supply. We have automatic mode on and off. It's in cabinet lighting, a baby night, light for children's room, bedroom, stairs, hallway, and of course for the kitchen. Slanted lamp holder design. Light is more eye protective here. Unlike other flat lamp holders on the market, the unique ink-lined lamp socket of this small socket lamp uses the principle of light refraction to avoid direct light on our eyes. And the light is gentle and does not dazzle to better protect its baby's eyes and children too. And the night light has a light sensor and motion sensor. When the environment is dark and detects the movement of an object, like a dog, a cat, a baby, or of course a human, the night lamp automatically lights up. If the LED night light does not detect any movement, it turns off automatically after 30 seconds. The detection range of this night light is 3 meters and 120 degrees. And multiple use. This light emitter diode night light is magnetically attached, and it is not tied to the location of the socket. We can attach it anywhere we need the light. For example, in living rooms, hallways, stairs, wardrobes, garage, cellars, etc. And safe and energy-saving battery operated. The baby night light is made of flame-retardant PSC material, which is robust and high-temperature resistant, and it has received the CE certification to ensure safe use. This LED night light with motion sensor and battery operation is powered by one AA battery and can work up to 4,500 hours in automatic mode. And it's really easy to install and remove, as you can see. The package contains each lamp contains a metal sheet and a 3M adhesive tape. We simply attach the sheet to the desired place and align the magnetic attraction of the night light to the sheet to attach the night light itself. We have a strong magnetic attraction, and so it's not easy to drop, but it's easy to remove. On the back of the light, there are hanging holes that can be attached to the wall with screws, for example. Okay, but the screws are not included, of course. But if you have some screws, you can attach it there if you like. In the dark, the night light automatically lights up when a motion is detected. The detection range is 3 meters and 120 degrees. If no motion is detected, the night light turns off automatically after 30 seconds. This is very practical for our nights. If we choose the off function, there is a lever where you can adjust it. That means no working condition. On, the night light is always on, and automatic, there is a detection mode. The sensor type is in CDS light sensor and infrared body sensor. The detection range 3 meters. The lightning time is 30 seconds. The power supply is 1 AA battery. The power is 0.4 watt and 25 lumen. The color temperature is at 4000 K. And this is warm white. The service life is over 80,000 hours, and this is a long range of service life. The installation method are as you like. We drive a screw, for example, into the wall and remain about an 0.25 centimeter distance between the head of the screw and the wall. Then we align the suspension hole of the light and hang it up. Or we are going to tear off the release paper of the double-sided tape and attach the tape on the metal sheet. Then we peel off the other side of the double-sided tape on the metal sheet and stick the metal sheet to the surface of the wall, for example, or a closet, or wherever you like to attach it. The product has built-in magnetism. We can stick the back of the light on nearly every metal sheet, or any metal surface too. Very convenient to use. When the light is dim, we have to replace the battery. Then we can see that the power is low. We avoid installing in places that directly face an infrared beam, of course. We do not use it underwater because it is not waterproof. We place it on a flat, safe surface. We keep the light dry and clean. We clean it only with soft, dry cloth, and of course we do not overload the circuit, as this may result in electric shock or fire. In the box, in this case, are 2 of them. You can buy it with a 3-pack, or you can buy only one, as you like. And I think there are so many nice illuminations by using this night light. It's not only a children's night light, it's a really decoration thing you can make with this night light here. This is really cool, and it makes a nice ambient at your home, I think, though. This is the Team PD night light with motion sensor and warm white LED light power. It's battery operated. We have automatic mode on and off. It's a nice cabinet lighting. It's a really cool baby light. It's a light for the children's room, for the bedroom, for the stairs, for the hallway, for the kitchen, toilet, where you like to attach it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.